Graph the function defined by f of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus 3. Let's go ahead and generate a t-table full of points, and we'll use those points then to graph this function. In our function, if we let x equal negative 2, then f of x is equal to negative 2 times negative 2 in parentheses squared plus 3. Negative 2 quantity squared is 4 times that negative 2 is a negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5. Now let's substitute the x value negative 1, giving negative 2 times in parentheses negative 1 squared plus 3. Negative 1 squared is positive 1 times that negative 2 is negative 2 plus 3, that gives 1. F of 0 is negative 2 times 0 squared plus 3. That's a 0 plus 3, or 3. F of 1 is negative 2 times 1 squared plus 3. That's a negative 2 plus 3, or a positive 1. Here we're seeing a symmetry in these function values. I'll bet this next one's going to be a negative 5 also. Let's check and see. Negative 2 times 2 squared plus 3. 2 squared is 4, times negative 2 is negative 8 plus 3. Indeed, that's a negative 5. Let's plot our points, starting with negative 2, negative 5. Back 2 on the x-axis, down 5 along the y-axis. Next, the point negative 1, 1. Back 1 on the x-axis, up 1 on the y-axis. 0, 3. We've got the point 1, 1, and the point 2, negative 5. Now let's connect these points with a smooth curve, both sides. Here we see an upside down parabola. Its vertex has gotten shifted up 3 units. It's at the point 0, 3. Let's go ahead and describe this function. That's f of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus 3. So we have the graph of our function f of x equal negative 2x squared plus 3.